Hi friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about how to make beautiful Ma Annapurna Devi with Lord Shiva. So without any delay, let's start our video. Now take a small cardboard pieces and join one by one. Paste it with the Fevicol and take a A4 size paper and paste it on the paper and cut on the four edges as shown in the video. Now apply glue on the four edges and close it like this. Apply to the cardboard neatly without any gaps. Close on the four edges neatly. Here I am making Ma Annapurna. Now take another cardboard pieces, small pieces, and join one by one. Make a big seat like this. Now repeat same procedure. Close on four edges like this with the help of gum. After pasting, connect the two cardboards like this neatly. It will be the Simhasan for Ma Annapurna. Now join 5mm 25 strips and make a small domes like this and connect two domes like this as shown in the video. Now join 10mm 22 strips and paste it on the base body of Ma Annapurna. Now again join 5mm and 3mm 25 strips, 5mm tight coil and 3mm tight coil of 25 strips and make it small big dome shape like this and one small dome shape like this. Apply glue inside the domes. After drying, connect the two domes like this. Now apply glue and connect to the base body like this. I am making base body for Ma Annapurna. Now apply glue and connect on the base like this. Now make a saree pleats. Now take a paper and make color with acrylic color paints, pearl color paints, and make small pleats like this. It will be the saree pleats. Now connect to it. Now here I am making legs. Join 5mm 5 strips and make a small cone shape like this. Here I am making legs for Ma Annapurna. Now apply glue inside the dome neatly. With the same procedure, make one more. Now again join 5mm 4 strips and make a cone shape like this and apply glue. With the same procedure, make another one also. Now 4 legs are ready. Now take the smaller cone like this and cut on the edge part like this to connect the big cone with the small cone like this in a folded legs shape. Let it dry for some time. Now connect the neck. For connecting neck, join 5mm 2 strips. Now here I am making hands. Join 5mm 2 1/2 strips and make a cone shape small. Here I am making hands for Ma Annapurna. Now apply glue inside the cone. After drying, connect the cone like this. Connect the second hand also like this. Now the legs have been well dried. Now attach saree pleats to the legs like this. Make small pleat and cover the saree pleats to the whole leg like this. Cover the whole leg part like this with the help of pleats like this. It will give a nice saree shape look. Now connect these legs to the base ideal of Ma Annapurna like this in a folding legs shape. Now paint the excess part. Now take a small piece of paper and make pleats like this and design of saree like this. Now connect this saree to the base ideal like this. Paste it with the help of gum. Now paste a hip belt. Here I am using a small border and ball chain for making hip belt for Ma Annapurna. Like this you have to attach jewelry. You can use ball chains or any wish. It is up to you how to decorate. Now again join 5mm 2 strips like this. Apply glue inside the cone. Now again join 3mm 2 strips. Now apply glue. Make small dome and apply glue. Now connect the two cones like this. Here I am making second hand like this. Now attach bangles to the hands like this. Now hands are ready. Now connect these hands to the base ideal like this. Connect the second one also. Now hands are ready. Now again join 3mm 3 strips and make a small loose tight coil. Here I am making palm for Ma Annapurna. Now take a small piece of paper and just cut fingers like this and connect to the palm like this. Legs will be ready. Make one more also. Now 2 legs are ready. I have painted with the skin aquatic color and I have connecting the palm to the legs like this. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a small mango shaped coil. It will be the palm for hands. Now here I am making spoon, rice spoon. Join 3 mm 3 strips for making this tight coil. Now again join 3 mm 7 strips for making Annapurna Patra. Now again join 3 mm 4 strips of tight coil and make a dome shape. Now again join 3 mm 2 strips. Now apply glue inside the domes like this. Here I am making Annapurna Patra, where we have to place this Annapurna Patra in the hands of Ma Annapurna. Now apply glue inside the domes neatly. Now apply glue. After drying, connect the domes like this. Here I am making Annapurna Patra, Annapurna pot. Now spoon and pot is ready. Now paint with the gold aquatic color. Now take a small piece of paper and apply glue and just smash it like this. Make a small roll. You will get nice look. It will be the rice on spoon and on patra. Now connect on the patra on also pot. Now connect the spoon and Annapurna Patra on the hands of Ma Annapurna like this. Apply Fevicol and connect like this. Now connect the spoon. Let it dry for some time. Now here I am making face. Join 5 mm and 3 mm 10 strips. 5 mm of skin color and 3 mm of black color. Make a small dome shape and apply glue neatly inside the dome. Let it dry for some time. Now take a 3 mm of black color of 10 strips and make a tight coil. Apply glue and connect the 2 domes like this. Now connect the nose. Now connect the ears. For making ears, join 2 mm 1/50 strips for each ear like this. Now I have painted facial expressions on the face of Ma Annapurna. Now here I am making long hair for Ma Annapurna. Take a black colored paper and just fold it and make big curls like this. Here I am making long hair for Ma Annapurna. Now apply glue and make it to half like this. Now connect around the head part on the back side of the head like this. Now here I am making kiritam. I have decorated with the ball chains. Just connect to the like this, and I have attached small earrings, jhumkas. So the Ma Annapurna. Now apply glue neatly on the hair and on the neck part and connect the face neatly. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. For things in the checking description box below. Now here I am making mala for Ma Annapurna. Now take a piece of paper and apply glue and just roll it like this. Roll and just roll in a chapati shape like this. You will get a nice roll shape like this. Roll it until you get shape. Now take a 5 mm paper strips and make small curves. Now here I am making flower mala for Ma Annapurna. I have already finished some part. Same procedure repeat for whole the flower mala like this. You have to roll it. I have used 3 colors, white, green and pink. Repeat same procedure for whole flower mala like this. You have to roll it. Just I have made curves. I have taken 5 mm paper strip and just make curves, and I have rolling around this roll. Now I have just cut in a mango shape. On the edge part it will be the lotus flower. Just apply glue on the edge part like this. Just roll it. It will be the lotus flower on the edge part of flower mala. Just rotate it and open slowly neatly. You will get nice flower mala look. Now flower mala is ready. Now connect this flower mala on the Annapurnamma. Like this you have to connect it with the help of glue. Now take a cardboard paper and just cut in a design shape like this, and I have attached yellow color paper. I have made design on one side. I will show you how to make. Join 10 mm one strip and just fold it as shown in the video. Just fold it to half like this. Just fold it. Now fold on the another, just roll it like this as shown in the video. For making coils, for making designs like this. Now apply glue and close it. Now with the same procedure make bigger one also. Repeat same procedure, but it will be some bigger one. Roll it. You have to roll it and just paste it. Apply glue on the edge part. Now this roll will also be ready. Now connect this small roll on the edge part. Now again join 10 mm one strip and just rotate it like this. Apply glue and cut it. Now cut in a small pieces. You will get nice petals of flower petals like this. You can take more and you can cut more pieces like this. You will get nice shape, flower shape like this. You have to repeat on the other side also with the same procedure. I have repeated like flower shape and like as per the sequence I have pasted it. I have used a small tight coil of 3 mm of 2 strips. Now connect this, attach these petals on the upper side also like this as shown in the position in the video. Like this you have to paste it line by line. Take a big roll and just paste it like this as shown in the video. Apply glue and connect on the upper part also small petals. Now again join 3 mm 8 strips and make a small dome shape like this. Now connect the nose. It will be the little bit lion shape. Make small tight coils of 2 mm and attach ears, nose. It will be the teeth. Just attach it. Just cut it with the help of scissor. Now connect small teeth like this. Just take 3 mm one strip. Like this you have to design it. Now apply glue and connect this dome on the middle part of the decoration like this. Now decoration part is ready. Now apply glue and connect on the back side of the Ma Annapurna like this to give a nice temple ideal look. Now join 5 mm 25 strips and make a small 2 tight coils of 25 strips. Take one tight coil and make a dome shape. Here I am making Lord Shiva. Now apply glue inside the dome. Apply glue neatly with the help of wrist. Let it dry for some time. Now connect apply glue to the second tight coil also. After drying, connect the 2 domes like this with one tight coil with another tight coil. Here I am making base body for Lord Shiva. Now here I am making legs. Join 10 mm 7 strips and make a dome shape with the help of pencil. Do it slowly when you are doing legs and hands. With the same procedure make another one also. Now apply glue inside the cones. Apply glue neatly with the help of brush. Do it slowly when you are applying also. I am using Fevicol for attaching. Now join 5 mm 2 strips for making neck. Now connect the legs like this. Connect one by one. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry. Please take some support to stick it very well. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. Apply glue on the edge part. Now again join 3 mm 2 strips of 2 tight coils and connect the 2 tight coils. Here I am making food for the Lord Shiva. Now take a 3 mm paper strip and just wrap it around these 2 tight coils. Here I am making food for Lord Shiva. Repeat same procedure until strip ends. Now leg part is ready. Now here I am making small legs. Take a 5 mm paper strip and just cut small finger shape like this. Cut total small 5 fingers and apply glue on the edge part and connect to the foot like this. Now fingers is also ready. Now just little bit open it. Now it will give nice leg shape. With the same process I have made another foot also. Now apply glue to the legs and connect the foot to the legs like this. You can use directly blue color paper. Here I am using directly white color. I will paint later. Now paint blue color to the. Now here I am making decorating dress for Lord Shiva. Now take a yellow color paper and just make a design signed on the edge part and connect the dress to the Lord Shiva like this. Take a black color paper and just cut in a cross shapes like this as shown in the video. Here I am making tiger cloth. Now apply glue and connect these paper strips around the dress like this. Now I have attached chocolate color ball chains as a rudraksha to decorate the Lord Shiva like this. Now again join 5 mm 2.5 strips and make a tight coil and make a cone shape. I am making hands for Lord Shiva. Now apply glue inside the hands. Now again join 5 mm 3 mm 2 strips and take a pencil and make a cone shape. Make little bit bigger compared to another hand. Now apply glue inside the cone. Here I am making next for Lord Shiva. Here I am making Annapurna Devi concept. Now apply glue on the first small coil also. Now connect the small dome with the bigger cone like this. Now connect the bigger hand with smaller hand like this. Hand is ready. With the same process make another one also. Now again join 3 mm 2 strips and make a palm. Now apply glue and connect this palm to the hand like this. With the same process I have made another one also. I have colored and I have attached rudraksha for the hands also like this. Now apply glue and connect hands to the base idol of Lord Shiva like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. Now here I am making a snake for Lord Shiva. Now take a black color piece of paper and apply glue and just roll it and make in a small thread shape like this. Here I am making snake look. Just rotate around the neck of the Lord Shiva and apply glue and place it in the neck side like this. It will be the snake for Lord Shiva. Now now let it dry for some time. Now again join 3 mm 12 strips and make a tight coil and make small dome shape. Then apply glue. Here I am making Bhikshapatra. Now place this Bhikshapatra on the hands of Lord Shiva. Now here I am making face. Join 3 mm and 5 mm 10 strips of each tight coil and make a dome shape. Now take a black color paper and just make a small dome shape. It should be little bit bigger. Now apply glue inside the domes and spread it neatly with the help of brush or hands. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the two domes like this. Here I am making face for Lord Shiva. Now connect the rudraksha. Connect ball chains around the head part like this to decorate the hair. Now here I am making half moon. Join 3 mm 1 strip and just wrap it to give a nice half moon shape and connect this half moon on the head part of the Lord Shiva. Now connect the nose and ears for Lord Shiva. Now ears are ready. Now connect the nose. Now nose and ears are ready and I have added facial expressions also. It is looking super cute. Now here I am making hair. Take a 3 mm paper strip and just roll it and just remove like this. You will get a nice curly hair like this. You have to make more. Apply glue on the back side of the face and connect one by one curly hair. I am making hair for Lord Shiva. Connect like this. Now apply glue to the hair and on the neck part also and connect the face to the base idol of Lord Shiva like this. Now Lord Shiva is ready. Now I have made a base. Join 10 mm 30 strips for making the base. Now take a small stick, apply glue. Here I am using Fevibond for quick sticking. Stick on the black color paper and just roll it like this. Roll it and again join 3 mm one strip and make a small loose tight coil and make tight mango shape like this. Here I am making Trishul for Lord Shiva. Now take another piece of paper of 3 mm and just rotate it like this. Wrap it the strip until strip end and just make in a S shape like this. I am making Trishul. Like this you have to make one more. Now take back the Trishul stand. Now connect these coils on the upper part. It will be the Trishul, which is the weapon of Lord Shiva. Here I am making Dasara special video of Ma Annapurna Devi concept. Now Trishul is ready. Now connect Trishul on the hands of the Lord Shiva like this. Let it dry for some time. Now here I am making Damarukam. Join 3 mm 3 strips and make a dome shape like this. Now apply glue inside the dome. Now again join 3 mm 3 strips of tight coil and connect this tight coil. With the same process I have made another one also. Now connect with one another like this. It will be the Damarukam for Lord Shiva. After drying, paint the Damarukam like this. Now connect the Damarukam on the side part of the Lord Shiva like this. Connect it. It will take some time, dry for some time. Now Lord Shiva is ready. Now Ma Annapurna Devi is also ready. That's a special video. Ma is looking super cute and very beautiful. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.